My biggest advice would be, try to get your hands on as many aircrafts as possible. That's going to really separate you down the road. That's the great thing about this program. Y'all do work with quite a few variety of aircrafts, which is very, very beneficial when you get out into the field. And it also sets you up to get your A&P certification right after school and after taking the coursework, which is extremely sought after in this market. My name is Armstrong, based out of Charleston, South Carolina, and recruit for a company called Aerotek Aviation. We have quite a few locations nationwide. Pretty much every major city would have an Aerotek. My job is to partner with anyone who could be looking for opportunities at the moment or looking for a better opportunity, really hone in on what exactly they're looking for, whether it be general aviation or depot level maintenance, so we get it right on the first go around. Essentially just helping them partner together and set up interviews and hopefully getting them a career with that company. I've been successful all across the nation. We've placed a lot of your graduates already. Everything you learn in this program is going to be very, very beneficial to a real life scenario out in the hangars for clients. General aviation, they're going to be looking for an A&P mechanic, strong sheet metal or fabrication kind of background, avionics background. Any skilled trade, A&P mechanic, sheet metal mechanic, avionics, industrial maintenance, they're going to go to work immediately upon graduation, whether it be an entry-level job, to work your way up. FedEx, UPS utilizes this for global carriers, and we just got to make sure we're always on top of it and hiring new guys to kind of step up and learn and get our aircraft up and running. And I think any industrial or skilled trade is in high demand currently. The money is great, overtime is great. You're working on really cool aircrafts all the time, and just being able to pick and choose, where you want to live is also a big, big positive factor. I think we kind of pushed 4-year degree schools for quite some time, and we're kind of slowly starting to reap the repercussions of that. We definitely, seek to find great clients that people actually want to work with, that treat their associates with utmost respect. We hope to set them up with a long-term opportunity. I'd say go for it, follow your passion. College isn't for everybody, military is not for everybody. Maybe your thing is being a mechanic working on aircrafts, which is a spectacular industry to be in, and definitely something that you would go home, feeling rewarded every day, knowing that you're making an impact on the globe on a constant basis. Definitely a really, really good industry, an industry where we need a ton of professionals. And it's slowly but surely starting to come back around in our generation now, and it's definitely really, really inspiring to see because it's a huge demand, and pretty confident, we'll be successful in placing you out there to the program.